Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take pictures in any games on Roblox without, I guess, like the text here. So as you can see, there's a lot of like text in these games and you want to take pictures without screenshotting them and you just can't find the camera button. The shortcut for it is actually Alt and 1. So if you select your keyboard and then press Alt and 1, you're going to take a picture on any game like that. If you do have something in your inventory on the one, sometimes it will show up when you're taking the pictures, but you can like move the item to another inventory and it's going to look something like this. I use it to take pictures for my thumbnails, so it looks nice and neat. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.